Hello, and I hope you are doing well. Welcome to this tutorial video here. Today we did the high velocity impact uh, over a sandwich panel. Here we have here the CFRP, here the aluminum foam, here something like aluminum honeycomb, and then again the CFRP. And if I check it in this view, or for instance this view, you can see here, and if I click on this, then here you can see the deformation which is happened here. See, and let me check the final frame. Here is the final frame, and now let me replace just the CFRP here. See the CFRP, it is filled completely. Now let me check the damage for that. Hushing damage, compression for the fiber, hushing damage, tension for fiber, compression for matrix, and tension for matrix. If I click on animate, you can see the damage propagation in the composite CFRP as the face sheet. Now let me make this here and replace the aluminum foam. Here, see the aluminum foam. What happened for the aluminum foam here? As the ductile damage, we use ductile damage for it. If I click on animate, you can see the deformation, then the damage which is happened in the model under the high velocity impact of a rigid projectile or rigid bullet. And see, this is the deformation of the aluminum foam. It is filled completely, see here. And now let me replace the aluminum as the honeycomb here. See, something like that. Let me check the JC damage, the Johnson Cook damage for it. If I click and animate, you can see again the damage which has happened. See, and this is the final frame again. You can see the fully damage happened for the core part here. And now let me replace the CFRP as a back plate. The damage, compression fiber, tension for fiber, compression for matrix, and the last one is tension for matrix. And this is all, and now we can see half model. See here. So if you need to model high velocity impact, composite damage like CFRP, aluminum foam with damage behavior, and aluminum something like honeycomb, you can use this tutorial. This is the full 3D model containing all damage variables for the parts in the model. So if you need it, you can come to our website here, abaqusfm.com. Find the English tutorial here. This is the English tutorial. Click on a title or blue sign, then you will have the geometry here, assembly, procedure, definition, step interaction load, and then the result as figures. The cost for the CAE, INP, English video file, and reference for the material is 26 euros. You can use a PayPal account, Visa or MasterCard for the payment. Before payment, contact me to this email to tell you about the purchasing process. Also, we have here a full package containing more than 400 tutorials for you to be master in simulation and analysis finite element model in Abaqus, but it contains more than any package that you know in the net. For instance, these are the main titles. In the main title, for instance, for explosion for all method, we have a lot subtitles. For high velocity, low velocity, welding, biomechanics, forming, crack, soil, CFD, FSI, thermal analysis, thermal structure, seismic analysis, masonry, discrete element method, pull-out test, composite material, concrete structure, steel structures, seismic simulation, car parts, I don't know, cold spray process, anything. You can find anything in this full package. The cost for this full package is 230 euros. Really, that's a good price for a package like this. So, if you want to provide this package also, or if you want to know more about it, you need informations, contact me to this email to tell you more about this full package. Thank you for your attention.